we are checking out seven zero zero 018 Duralast 30% lower. Check them out. Works great in tight spaces. We have 3/8-inch drive, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Everything's good to me except for 19. I wish they had 19. So we're gonna do a little tool review. Comes this little set like that. So those are some good, you know, numbers. 8. You rarely use 9. I don't even know if I've ever used 9. I don't think I have. 10. You use 10 for sure. You use 12 for sure. I've rarely used 11. You definitely use 13. American cars. 14. Japanese cars. 15. American cars. 16. American and Japanese cars. 17. Japanese cars. And 18. So, yeah, looking at them, they're nice. So that's the end of the review. No, I'm just playing. We're gonna bash the hell out of these. What do you guys think about that? We're gonna get this one right here, the biggest one. I looked at them. They're nice and centered. I checked them out. They're nice and centered. I like them. You have to realize I got these for free. So this is the 3/8-inch drive. I got them for free. They are 12-point. In a way, I kind of wish they were 6-point. So we're gonna bash the hell out of it. I got this set for free. Compare it with the Snap-on set. It's probably $90 for a Snap-on set. I looked at the insides. When I was looking at the insides, they're pretty nice. They're decent. You know, I mean, they're not 100% professional like Snap-on or whatever. But we're gonna beat the hell out of them regardless. What y'all think about that? So, we got 3/8-inch. And now we got 3/8-inch adapter. And we're going to put the 3/8-inch adapter on there. And then we're going to put a 1/2-inch impact. And we're going to bang the shit out of it. So, something's going to give. No matter what you believe, something's going to give. Whether it's this nut, whether it's this bolt, whether it's this socket, whether it's this tool, something's gonna give. I'm gonna hit it until something gives. If it's the socket, then it's the socket. The socket ain't made for this. It ain't made for that. So even if we break this socket, we're gonna have people saying you shouldn't be using it for that. I'm putting earplugs on because I don't like loud noises. I'm gonna hit it until something breaks. Now, if it spins right here out of this, if it spins out of here, I'm gonna call this broken. Let's go. little bit more. Boy, that bitch is hot as a motherfucker. I don't even want to touch it. It didn't snap. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot. It's real hot. I feel it. I'm gonna spit on it. Oh, it's hot. It's burning hot. That ain't no joke. Oh boy. That's hot. Woo-wee. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna knock this one out. Woo-wee. That boy is hot. Ooh, this is hot too. Oh boy, that's hot. We're gonna get that right there. And give me 1 second. We'll knock that out. We'll get a punch. And we will knock that out. Just give me 1 second. Boom. Boom. See you later, baby. Woo-wee, baby. I don't know about you. You ain't gonna put that much heat on that sucker. You wanna test it? You wanna test it? There it is. That's free. That's for me. I got that free for AutoZone. That's 12 point. And that ain't no joke. This thing's still hot. I'm talking about burning hot. Woo boy, it's hot. It's really hot. It's hot. So do I think it's worth the money, which is free? Yeah, I think it's worth the money, which is free. That is the 700018 to Race Drive, a low profile set. Is it worth it? You hit it with the 3/8" impact non-stop. It doesn't round them nuts, it doesn't round the bolt. This thing's burning hot right now. Thank you. So yeah, is it worth the free? Yeah, I think it is. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.